Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open the Magic AI app, sign in, and pick the project type you need. Make sure to grant mic, camera, and storage permissions so features run smoothly. Once done, select Chat, Image, or Workflow and set Language plus Output format. You want the app to have the rights and context to operate, otherwise models will fail or stall. Begin with a short sample prompt to confirm audio and visuals work, then move on to building the actual task. You now refine the core process. Write a layered prompt with system instructions, a clear user request, and one example. Adjust temperature for creativity, set max tokens to limit length, and enable response filters if accuracy matters. Once your prompt is set, attach any images, CSV, or short videos to give the model concrete context. Make sure to test variations, measure response consistency, and iterate until outputs match your expectations. This step minimizes surprises in the final result. You finish by exporting and validating the output. Pick JSON, TXT, or a share link and set privacy and retention rules. Then, check the results for factual accuracy, run quick unit tests, and gather feedback from 1 or 2 users. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, lower the temperature to reduce hallucinations, or switch to a more conservative model. Finally, rerun the flow and compare versions so you can confidently deploy the best output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.